Good evening, all. Hi, guys. How are you? Turn on your camera. Camera. Sira Yogesh, welcome to the class. Sira Yogesh, turn on your camera. Sira Yogesh, I think you might have seen me.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Now, yes. Turn on your camera. So we have done with the sequence. Sorry, arithmetic progression, isn't it? So can we consider something like that? Can we consider we have done with the sequence and series? I mean arithmetic progressions. So can we go forward now? Shall we?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So now let me
Yes,
show.
sir.
I think you guys are able to see the screen, right?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Ahil, may I know why you are late?
Sir, there was a problem with internet connection, sir.
आपको कभी भी यही प्रॉब्लम होता है, मुझे पता नहीं है भाई, कभी भी इंटरनेट प्रॉब्लम आपको ही होता है. हाँ, Akil ji, you must be on time. Where is your brother?
Sir,
Benjamin,
I am on
come back.
time. Yes,
Benjamin,
sir.
please, Benjamin, you have to make sure. You have to make sure one thing that please go through the recordings and just understand the concept. As soon as you understand, so that what will happen is I also can understand. Oh, Benjamin, he has missed the classes, so he has gone through, so he's clear with that. If you are facing any issues, so weekly once I'm planning to have one doubt session, so you can clarify your doubts from all there. All right, not only Benjamin, not only Steve, Benjamin, everyone here eligible to ask your doubts. There is no criteria that these guys should ask, this guy shouldn't ask. It's not like that. Everyone can ask your doubts. Feel free to ask. It's not like that. I just told that I got just two messages from you guys. I asked everyone to text me a message, drop me a message in WhatsApp as soon as you finish with your homework. So I didn't ask you for many problems. I asked you for only for 7 to 8 problems. As soon as you're done with those problems, just drop me a message that sir, I have done with that. So if you didn't do, if you are not in a position to solve those 7 to 8 problems, at least 5 problems I'm expecting from you guys on regular basis. So irrespective of your class day, irrespective of your not class day, it's not like that. Every day you have to solve. Even you don't have class, despite of being not having class, you have to solve every day. That is a pakka plan. That is a pakka plan I'm going to plan for. All right, that is what we are thinking for. If you are gonna solve, if you are gonna write your board exam in a well manner, this is a pakka strategy. We are in a position that, we have finished already. Number which chapters? So trigonometry we have done, and 1 second. First term we don't have arithmetic progressions. So however we have finished it, no problem. So let us go with the syllabus whichever we are going to write. Look at the real number. How many have you done with your real numbers? How many have you
Sir,
finished from your school side?
Yes, sir.
So real number you have done with. So let me 1 second. Let me mark it. Let me highlight it. And I'm requesting everyone, guys, if you are facing with any problems, if you have any doubts, please enlighten me. I'm requesting everyone, not only one, everyone. All right, so everyone should text me after 9 o'clock. After 9 o'clock, I should get a message that sir, I have done with 5 problems. I should done with the 7 problems. I should, have done with 8 problems. So minimum 7, maximum 8. So कम से कम 5 प्रॉब्लम तो होते बनता ही है. ठीक है, कम से कम 5 प्रॉब्लम तो बनता ही है. Everyone, guys, everyone. All right, Sira, Yogesh, you guys Are you able to understand? Sira Yogesh.
Yes,
Sira
sir.
Yogesh. Yes. You turn on your camera. Everyone should turn on your camera. Fatafat, fatafat. How is the Josh? Ahil, shut up. How is the Josh? How is the Josh? Shut up.
What do you mean?
Hmm?
What do you mean?
What do I mean? How is the Josh means? You should say that. How's the things going? How enthusiastically you are doing the things? That's what I'm asking. With high enthusiasm or
It's
low
good, sir.
enthusiasm?
Good,
Good.
sir.
Hi, great. How
Yes.
is the Josh? Yogesh?
Hi, sir.
Yeah, this is what I'm expecting from you. Yes, great answer. Chalo. See here, numbers, real numbers you might have done with. If coming to the algebra, we have done with the polynomials. Guys, any doubts from these two chapters? So let us have a look at the syllabus first. So let us have, just a rough idea. Just have an idea roughly what are the chapters yet to be done and what are the chapters has been done so far, right? So real numbers we have finished, polynomials we have done with, pair of linear equations, two variables is a chota sa laddu chapter, very simple, right? So coordinate geometry. Tell me, how many have you done with these four chapters? How many of you,
I'm
please?
done.
I
Sir,
am
do you
done,
mean
sir.
like in school?
Yeah, from school, not from my side, guys. I'm asking from your school. Why?
Yes,
Because
sir, done.
look at look at
Done,
this.
sir.
See here, let me show you. This is the syllabus, whichever we are looking at right now. This is for your first term. Mean first term, the syllabus is going. The syllabus has been splitted in two terms. So which is the first term is gonna be for like this chapter, like 6 unit 7. First term is gonna be for 8 chapters. Look at this, still probability. See, your first 4 chapters has been done, right? Real numbers, polynomials, pair of linear equations, coordinate geometry we have done with. So triangles, how many have you done with the triangles?
Sir, done.
I'm done.
Very good. So, and the introduction to trigonometry we have done, we have finished. So I don't think so anyone has doubt from that. We have done from our side. So let it be. So areas related to circles,
Sir, going on.
Sir,
going on,
done.
done. So probability,
Not
Done,
completed.
sir.
Done.
हाँ तो term 1 syllabus has been done. How many have you done with your term 1 syllabus from your school side?
Sir, I didn't do triangles.
Triangles you didn't finish.
Sir, we didn't do probability.
Yes.
And
Sir, we didn't
trigonometry
do
from
probability.
school side.
Okay. Yes. Tell me. Yes. Yes. Diksha is about to say something. Yes, Diksha. Tell me.
Yes, sir. I was saying that in my school there are still 3 more chapters left.
What are they?
Areas related to circles, probability, one more exercise of coordinate geometry and triangles.
So one more exercise after coordinate geometry. Okay. In coordinate geometry, especially you have to learn triangles. You have to yet to be done, right? Triangles. How many of you yet to finish triangles? Triangles. Tell me.
Sir, I'm
I
done
have
with
to do it, sir.
I have
Sir, I am done.
Okay.
Sir,
Very good. So yes. So now tell me. Now your choice. And now that is your choice. Now let us have a look at the weightage. Let us have a look at the weightage. So which unit is going to be? Which unit is going to be having more weightage? Look at this. Number system is going to be 6
Algebra.
marks. Algebra. Yes, algebra. Yes. So 6 marks for number system, and algebra is going to be for 10 marks. Coordinate geometry for 6 marks. Geometry for 6 marks. Trigo for 5. Mensuration for 4. Statistics and probability for 3 marks. Now can we have a look at algebra? Let us have a look algebra. Look at this. From algebra we have polynomials and pair of linear equation, two variables. So these two chapters are very important. Let us say 5 both chapter, from both chapters, from either of the chapters you are going to get 10 marks, which means let us say on an average you will be getting 5 marks from each chapter. Am I right? So from each chapter
Yes.
you will be getting 5 marks. So our plan is going to be now, so let us go with shall we go with the triangles or shall we go with the uh, let us have 1 second. Mensuration. From mensuration, how many marks you have? Mensuration 4 marks.
4
So
marks.
yes. So from geometry, 1 second. Yes. So shall we go for triangles now? Triangles.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Shall we? So shall we go with anyone? I think Diksha Batina, you didn't even start with the triangles from your school side, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, everyone. Ashish, turn on your camera. Amrita, Ahil, Tanvi, Prativa, everyone. Fatafat, turn on your cameras.
Sir, AP is for term 2, right?
AP is for term 2, but actually we started before releasing the syllabus. So unfortunately we started, not an issue. Still we are ahead of these all, right? So no problem. Yes, Amrita, tell me from your school side, what are the chapters has been done?
So we are left with the areas of circle and trigonometry.
Sorry.
Areas of circle and trigonometry chapter is there in our school, which is still not done. Rest all are done.
Yeah. Okay, cool. So area related and
Trigonometry.
trigonometry. So triangles they have done. So many of you didn't do with the triangles. So let us go with the triangles. And Diksha, sorry, not Diksha. What is her name? Patnaik, Amrita ji. So let us go with the triangles. So you just watch. You just watch the triangle. I mean trigonometry video lectures. So if you have any doubts, feel free to come up with those doubts and get clarified your doubts. All right. All right.
Yes, sir.
So we have finished two, quadratic equations, arithmetic progressions. We have already finished two chapters from this side. So from the term one, we have to finish like this one. First, let us go with the triangles. Triangles a big chapter, so they are going to give 6 marks from this chapter. So first, from triangles, what are the stuff? What are the things we supposed to read for? Look at this: definitions, examples, counter examples of similar triangles, right? So first, the proof: if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, so the other two sides are divided in the same ratio, we have to line this. And if a line divides two sides, if a line divides two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, the line is parallel to the third side. And look at this, the third point, the third motive is: if two triangles, the corresponding angles are equal, their corresponding sides proportional, and the triangles are similar. Or that if in two triangles, the corresponding angles are equal, their corresponding sides are proportional, and the triangles are similar. As per the CPCT rules, if I'm not wrong, you might have heard about in 9th standard, you might have heard about CPCT rule, like criteria of triangles like SAS rule, ASS, triple S, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So look at this now. If the corresponding sides of two triangles are proportional, their corresponding angles are true. Yes. This is also, if one angle of a triangle is equal to another angle of a triangle, AAS, triple AS. Similarly, so if a perpendicular is drawn, so this is RAHS. So if a ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. Very, very important property this is going to be. So let us have a look at one by one, and let us try to understand this. And in a right angle triangle, square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Like Pythagoras theorem, like Pythagoras theorem. So hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square, something like that. Not exactly, but something like that. Look at this. Now,
Sir,
yes,
sir,
yes.
sir, how will they ask all these proofs and motivate in MCQs?
Yes, very good question. Basically, see, they won't be asking you theoretically. They will be giving you the questions based upon these theoretical parts. All right, this is the concept actually. This is the concept. This is the concept. So you'll be getting the MCQs on these concepts. Not like this. They won't you ask you to write like double AS rule, SAS rule, triple AS rule. They won't ask you to write all those stuff. They'll ask you MCQ questions related to these principles, these motives actually. All right, so we'll see the questions, don't worry, we'll see the questions. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, one second.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Just a minute. Yes. Chalo. So these are the things which we supposed to learn from this chapter. All right. Yes or no? Chalo. Now let's have a look at this. First, let us have. Everyone, I request you all to turn on your cameras. I don't want to repeat the same stuff again and again. Yes, guys. Yes. What is your name? Someone new guys I joined. Yogesh. Yogesh, right? Yogesh. What's your name? Yogesh only. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yogesh, are you able to follow beta?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. First, see here. First, let us talk about couple of topics. First, let us see what exactly we are going to learn from this chapter. All right, what exactly we are gonna get out of it. See here. Let us say triangles. We are going to start with the triangles, right? Triangles. So let me draw a triangle here. There's a triangle. Everyone knows that. This is how triangles looks like. This is ABC. See here, these now here AB is a side, BC is a side, AC is a side. I think everyone knows that. So if I draw, if I make it, this is angle here, this is angle B, this is angle C. Is it clear? So now look at this. Let me write. Let me write here basic stuff here. Here, and you know triangle has three sides. So here, three sides are what are they? AB, AC, and BC. And AB, BC, and AC. All right. So look at this now. Now angle A and three angles. Three angles are angle A, angle B, and angle C. Is it clear? Is it clear or not? Is that clear?
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is what, and now look at this. And ABC is what here? What is A called? What is B called? Huh?
Vertex.
Vertices.
What is a vertex? A, B, C are vertex. All right, vertices. Now look at this. Now first let us talk about, we are going to learn first what is triangle is all about. Similarity criteria of, you know, whenever we have two same number of sides, what are the similarity criteria we have? Similar, what are the criteria of triangles? What are the proof of Pythagoras theorem? What are, for example, questions we are going to solve, as well as problems based on triangles. Is it clear? Yes. Now let us have a look at this. One second. See here. First, let us tell me, guys, what is triangle? What do you mean by triangle? Tell me.
So it's a three-sided polygon.
What do you mean by polygon? A closed vacuum which can be framed by using lines, isn't it? Three-sided polygon. Yes. Okay. So what is the sum of, what is the interior angles? What is the sum of interior angles of a triangle?
180 degrees.
180.
Okay, what is the sum of exterior angles of a triangle? Tell me.
900 degrees.
How much?
Sir, I'm guessing 900.
How could be? How could it be? See here, the interior angles of a triangle sum up to 180 degrees, and exterior angles sum up to 360 degrees, not 900. Let me show you.
Sir, if we take each angle as 60 degrees on the interior, the outside part would be 360 minus 60, which is 300. That's for 3 sides. So based on that, I took it as 900.
No, it is not like. See here, outside exterior angles of a triangle is 360 degrees. First, let me show you. Depending upon the angle and its length and and vertices, they categorized. There are they have categorized types of triangles. What are the types of triangles we have learned?
Isosceles triangle, scalene triangle,
Tell me.
equilateral triangle.
Hello.
Sir,
I'm asking you what are the types of triangles you have learned. Tell me. Come on, you must say that.
sir, we have 3 types of triangles, sir.
Okay, what are they?
Isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle,
Okay.
scalene triangle, sir.
Okay. Apart from this, isosceles, scalene, right angle. Okay.
An equilateral triangle.
Sir, equilateral triangle.
Equilateral triangle. Look at this here. Sum of exterior angles I told, right? Look at this. Shadab, you cannot consider this one. Look at this. So this is 60 here. If I extend something like this, exterior angle is this one and this one, not this one. It won't comes under as a consideration.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is an angle here, interior angle. This is interior angle. What is exterior angle here? What's exterior angle? This one and this one. Here also this one, this one. This gap, this Y junction will not come. Y junction will not come here. All right. That won't be considered. That's how it will be 360 degrees. I hope it is clear with you.
Yes, sir.
Now, so based upon the sides, based upon the angles, they have categorized types of triangles. So first, let us talk about a scalene triangle. What is it? Scalene triangle. What do you mean by scalene triangle? All sides are different.
Different, sir.
All the 3 sides of a triangle are different. Is that clear? Now,
Sir.
second one,
Isosceles.
Two sides are equal.
To any two sides.
Very good. Any two
Are equal.
Sides are
sides of a triangle are equal. Everyone, girls, are you able to understand? Yogesh, come on, beta, tell me. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Next type of triangle is equilateral triangle.
all sides are all 3 sides of a triangle are equal.
Equilateral triangle. So इसमें क्या होता है? देखो सब all the 3 sides of the triangle are equal and each angle measures how much? 60 degrees. Is it
60
clear?
degrees.
Any doubts in this point?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Copy this simultaneously. Chalo, next type of triangle is what?
Right angle triangle.
Right angle triangle.
Right angle Right angle triangle. What is this?
Any one angle is equal to 90 degrees.
So any one of the three angles. Any one of the three angles (90 degrees). Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, acute. Acute.
All the angles are less than 90 degrees.
Very good. Acute में क्या होता है? What will happen here? In acute angle, what will happen? All the angles are smaller than 90 or less than. Or less than 90 degrees. Less than 90 degrees. Now obtuse. Obtuse.
Angles between 90 to 180.
Angled. Angled. This angled. Okay. What is this?
All the angles between 90 to 1.
One of the angle should be greater than 90 degrees. One
Less
of
than
the-
180, no, sir.
one of the angles is greater than 90 degrees. All right. So angle here, acute angle में क्या होता है? In acute angle should be lies between 0 to 90 degrees. आया समझ? Here what will happen here in acute angle? What will happen? Theta lies between
90 to 1.
to 180 degrees. All right. All right. Is it understand? Not equal here. Not equal here. Greater than 90. आया समझ? All right. Understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
Very simple. This is a basic understanding. Clear? Now let us talk about similarity criteria. What is the similarity criteria we have? Similarity criteria of two polygons having the same number of sides. Yogesh, Amrita, are you able to follow the class, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And
sir.
can you please check it out? Amrita will tell me, Amrita, am I recording or not? Am I recording the session?
Yes, sir, you are.
Yes. Sometimes I'll be forgot, so that I'll ask any one of you. You should tell me that. All right. Great. Chalo. Now, what would you expect from this similarity criteria of triangles? What are the similarity criteria? देखो, similarity criteria क्या होता है इसमें? Similarity criteria.
Means they look alike.
Their corresponding angles are equal, and I would say
Sides are proportional.
corresponding sides
Are in proportion.
are in the same ratio or proportion. Same ratio or proportion. Is it clear? Is it clear, children? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So their corresponding angles should be equal and corresponding sides should be in the same ratio or proportion. Is that clear? Any doubts? Any doubt, girls? Tanvi, Srija, and
No doubts.
Tanvi, any doubts, beta?
doubts.
Amruta ji, what is her name? Pratyusha, Prativa, koi doubt?
No, sir.
Koi doubt? Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Yogesh, any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
Are you sure?
Yeah, sir, sure.
How's the Josh?
Hi, sir.
Always supposed to be high. थोड़ा सा भी कम नहीं होना కొంచెం కూడా తగ్గొద్దు జోష్ కొంచెమైనా తగ్గింది అనుకో ఏమవుతుంది we won't be in a position to understand anything. Josh should be always high. You understand, mister? Yes. Just a minute, beta. चलो. Now, what are the similarity criteria of triangle we have learned? Similarity criteria.
SA.
Shut up.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
And guys, I don't understand one thing here. I asked you yesterday to post the message. How many of you only shut up has done? I think so. What about others? See, guys, it won't be good actually. Please, everyone should drop a message that, sir, I have finished 5 problems. I have finished 7 problems. I have finished 8 problems. Minimum, dekho beta, minimum, kam se kam 7 sums. And max,
Sir, I've done first 5.
you have to post. You have to drop a message. You have my number, right? You have to drop a message. That, sir, have done with that. So if you are not in a position to, sir, I am not in a position to today since I'm having some other work to do. I'll be finishing tomorrow. Today's homework as well as tomorrow's work. Double at a time. 7 plus 7, 14 or 8 plus 8, 16 problems. At a time I'll do and submit to you, sir. That kind of permission you can get from my side. So this is a permission you have to get from my side or as well as from Manoj sir as well. If you are facing any kind of difficulties to talk to me, you can just talk to Manoj sir as well. Sir is always available. Even I too are always available. You can drop a message. Is there anything that if you are texting me, I'm not responding? Is there anyone something like that?
No.
Is there anyone that you are texting me, I'm not responding? Is there any kind of cases? Is there any kind of situation? I'm asking everyone here.
No, sir. No, sir.
Yes, I see only shut up is texting. I see only shut up is text me regularly. Actually, I don't see anyone of you. Yeah, you text me. You text me like very rarely. But I'm not asking you to text me regularly for unnecessary things. But you have to text for your necessary things. Sir, we have done with this. Okay, what should I do next? Yes, if you have done with the 7 problems, I'll say, okay, great thing. I see no need of submitting the homework. You says drop a message that I have done with that. If I ask you to send me the homework, immediately you have to photo खींच के भेजना पड़ेगा. ठीक है? Immediately you have to send me the homework. If I ask you to send the homework, immediately you have to send me. If you are delaying even 5 to 10 seconds after, I understand that you are lying at me. That shouldn't be the case. That shouldn't be the case. Are you guys getting my point? Everyone, Anudeep, Akil, Ashish, Diksha, Moha, shut up, everyone. Srija, everyone. Yogesh,
Yes, sir.
understand? So what is your job, Yogesh? Can you please tell me? Can you please talk what I said now?
Sir, we should submit the homework in time when you ask.
When I don't ask, man, I don't ask. That's what my problem. I don't ask. That's what I'm saying. I don't ask. You have to come up. You have to take it as initiation. Sir, I have done the homework. You have to drop a message. You might be having my WhatsApp number, right? From group,
Yes, sir.
from group, you can just collect my number. I can text me. Sir, I have done with the homework. So that I will congratulate you. I just appreciate you on your effort. If you didn't do that, if you are not in a position to do so, you just text me that, sir, I'm not in a position to solve today's problems. I'll come up with these 14 problems in tomorrow's class or in tomorrow's session. All right, you can take the such kind of permissions from my side and just go ahead. If you are having emergency purpose, if you are having, some emergency kind of work, something like that, you can just go ahead with that. But I request to that today's problem as well as tomorrow's problems collectively you have to submit 14 problems at a time. I hope it is clear with everyone. You understand?
Yes, sir.
I'll see
Yes,
today how
sir.
many of you are gonna message me after finishing your homework by 9 o'clock. By 9:15, 9:30, at least if you are having other subjects to study, solve at least 5 problems. Come se come 5 problems, any 5 problems. 5 problems in the sense, oh my goodness, an is equal to a plus n minus 1d. First problem mein, in first question, first one, second one, not similar type of question. I don't want to see similar type of question. From the first problem, if you are solving the first question, leave the first question. If you have a similar type of question, leave that, go for the next one. All right, I don't want you to solve the same type of problems for 5 different problems, 5 different concept and different problems. You understand, Mr. and Miss? Clear? Guys, are you able to understand
sir.
my point? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you should solve with the different problems. And few were asking that, I think Diksha was texting me, sir, do we need to solve on class day itself or like the other day also? Diksha, did you text me?
No, sir, I didn't.
I think some, yeah, one.
There was me.
Yeah, it was you. Okay. Yeah, no problem. See, every day, even you have a class, even you don't have a class, every day you have to solve 5 to 10 problems, 5 to 8 problems. Minimum 5, maximum 8. इसके बीच में भी solve कर सकते हो and submit to me. Submit to me if I ask you to. All right, great. चलो. Now first criteria. I hope it is clear with everyone. I'm keep on repeating the same point again and again that you must follow this rule and regulation. Is it clear? Let's see how many of you are going to text me today after your class. Have your dinner, sit for 15 to 20 minutes, finish your homework, send it to me. Okay. Similarity of triangles, similarity criteria of triangles. So to find,
So till now you didn't give any homework, right?
I have given to you. What is that homework? Anandip, I think you are absent in the last class, right? See, every day you have NCERT, you have your foundation book, if I'm not wrong. You have RS Agarwal. You have RD Sharma. In this, NCERT is first priority. You understand? Second priority should go for RD, foundation book. And third priority you can give for RD Sharma. And fourth you can give for this. All right, you can solve this. You can choose any 2 books here. This is must and should, NCERT must and should. Then I would suggest you go for RD Sharma, and I would suggest foundation. RS Agarwal you can avoid it. If you want, you can avoid it, RS Agarwal. But these 3 books you must solve actually. Every day 5 problems, so that you can come up with many questions. You can see such a lot of great and very good questions. All right. Is it clear with everyone? See, I'm not
Yes.
asking you to solve area day and night, bhai. I'm not asking you to solve day and night. Just go for 5 problems. Go for 5 problems. At least. Clear? NCERT is must. Why? Because from NCERT concept only, they are going to put up the questions in your board exam. I'm sure there is nothing required more than NCERT. NCERT को perfect से कर लो, आपको अच्छे से marks मिल जाएगा. All right. If you are good at NCERT concept, I'm sure you will get good marks in your board exam. But for our safe zone purpose, let us look at RD Sharma as well as foundation book as well as. So don't remember anything. Don't mug up anything. Don't try to apply any, another stuff. Just go ahead, think, try to understand the concept and learn it. Don't remember anything. If you are remembering, I'm sure for 2 days you will be remembering. Third day, of course. Third day, 110%, I ensure you that 110% you will forget that. For 2 days you might be remembering that concept. But on third day, guys, I'm sure you will be, you will forget that. If you are mugging up the concept, don't mug up anything. Don't remember anything. Mathematics is not all about remembering. Mathematics is all about understanding the concept and applying on it. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear with everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Chalo. Now let us go for that. I hope it is clear with everyone. I should not repeat the same thing again and again. Anujit, look at this. I already in last class I told you to solve NCERT problems. Start solving your NCERT. Why? Because we are not solving in class, right? This class is not solving for NCERT problems. This class is for making sure that you guys are understanding each and every concept and make sure that your doubts are getting clarified, and we are testing, and those in the test whatever the mistake you are coming up, whatever the mistakes you are committing, will be clarifying those mistakes, and will be rectifying those mistakes and making sure that you are clear cut with your basics, so that before 11th standard you have to be so clear with your basics, guys. In 11th standard we cannot spoon feed. We cannot like teach a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. We cannot go such kind of basics in that 11th standard. We'll be writing, look at this, if wherever we get a plus b whole square formula, straight away we'll be writing the stuff and write the answer immediately. That's how you should prepare for. This is the only stage where you can clear with all basics. Don't lag with your basics, guys. Be clear with your basics. Whenever you are whenever you are so strong at your basics, I'm sure you won't be taking anyone's help to solve 11th standard problems. Why? Because whatever you are learning in 10th standard, everything 90% of the same syllabus you are going to learn in your 11th standard, but somewhat in advanced way. Not as 10th standard syllabus. You won't be having exact copy paste syllabus in 11th standard, but of course you will be. Let me tell you one thing here. You have learned polynomials. Everywhere polynomial will be useful to you. All simplifications, in all simplifications, polynomials is going to be involved. Quadratic equation as it is, you will be learning. Progressions you will be learning. Arithmetic progressions, whatever you have learned here, you will be learning sequence and series over there. The lesson called sequence and series. In the sequence and series, you will be learning arithmetic progression, geometric progression, arithmetic progression, and probability as it is, you will be learning somewhat in advanced way. Statistics you will be learning in somewhat advanced way. Geometry you will be learning in somewhat advanced way. Trigonometry you will be learning in somewhat advanced way. Whatever the chapter you take, every chapter you are going to attempt in 11th standard, I'm sure. That is the reason I'm just shouting like anything. That is the reason I'm requesting you like anything. Go through your basics, go through your 10th standard syllabus. Such is a very, very important chapter for your 11th and 12th standard. Is that clear with everyone?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear with everyone? I need a response. I need
Yes,
acknowledgement from each and every student here.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You guys have any doubts here?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
I need an acknowledgement from everyone.
No,
Yes or
sir.
no?
No, sir.
Yes. Chalo. So yes, now let's go with our chapter. So first criteria is going to be triple S similarity. Triple S similarity. What do you mean by similarity? Yes, which means side, 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 please. Not that song. Side, side, side. How many of you heard that song called Side, 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 please?
Me, sir.
Huh? Have you heard? Have you
I've-
listened?
Somewhere I have listened, sir.
Yes, that is the movie called Nenu Local. In that movie, you might have heard this song. Side, 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 please. We are the local. Yes, don't go for that song. Yes, let us go with this syllabus. Let us go with this syllabus. Are you getting my point? How many of you are understanding here? Chalo, let us go with that. What do you mean by? See, anyone of you, please, already you might have done with this concept. Can anyone of you please come up with this concept and explain me, sir? This is what side, 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 please. Come on. Batao.
Sir, in a triangle, if all the sides of the triangle are equal to the other triangle.
Very good. That's all.
we can
All the
apply-
sides of it one triangle. देखो भाई, two triangles ले लो कोई भी. Let me tell you in a simple language. You take any two triangles. Okay, let me say this ABC. अरे यार थोड़ा बड़ा डालते. No GST. Free of cost, right? Drawing free of cost. तो मैंने इतना छोटा सा क्यों ड्रा कर रहा हूँ? ABC triangle ले लो. PQR. So look at this now. See AB side and corresponding to AB is what here? PQ. Corresponding to BC क्या है इधर? QR. Corresponding to AC क्या है इधर? PR. तो ये सब equal है. All right. All sides of a triangle, all sides of a ABC triangle is equal to all sides of PQR. ఇందులో ఉన్న సైడ్స్ అన్ని, ఇందులో ఈ ట్రయాంగిల్ లో ఉన్న సైడ్స్ అన్ని ఈ ట్రయాంగిల్ లో ఉన్న సైడ్స్ కి ఈక్వల్ అయితే అది SSS ఫాలో అవుతున్నట్టు. Is that clear? इसमें जो भी है, जो भी साइड्स है, whatever the sides we have in this triangle, इसमें जिसमें जो भी साइड्स है वो साइड्स इस ट्रायंगल के साइड के बराबर होना चाहिए, तब हम लोग बोल सकते हैं कि SSS क्राइटेरिया फॉलो कर रहे हैं दोनों ट्रायंगल. ऑलराइट, एज पर द SSS क्राइटेरिया ABC is similar, ABC is similar to PQS. How could I say now? Triangle AB is congruent. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? Not concrete, congruent. What is the meaning of that? Congruent to triangle PQR. Is that clear? Is that clear or not? I do not want to write the theoretical definition here. So you can write, when the corresponding sides of any two triangles are in the same ratio or the same proportion, then their corresponding angles will be equal to the other sides. Look at this. Let me show you. आया समझ? कोई डाउट है इधर? Any doubts? Now look at this. What is triple A here? Triple A.
So all the sides of the triangle are equal.
Angle, not uncle. Angle. आया समझ? चलो बताओ इसके बारे में कोई तो. Yes, Diksha, tell me.
Two triangles, when each angle is equal to another angle, then the triangle.
This is not,
Sorry,
sir, most of the time this is not used, no?
I didn't get you. थोड़ा सा.
Sir, is it when the angles of one triangle are equal to the angles of another triangle?
Yes, when two angles of one triangle. कोई भी टू ट्रायंगल, कोई भी एंगल ले लो. You take any angles, look at this like. Shut up, are you able to follow the class?
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by triple A?
It's basically when the angles of two triangles are congruent to each other.
That's all. Angle P, angle A. Angle Q is equal to angle B. Angle R is equal to angle C. Now I could say that triangle PQR congruent to triangle ABC. Clear? Any doubts here?
No, sir.
Very simple. कुछ भी नहीं है भाई, इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है. समझने का कुछ है क्या? बताओ मुझे.
नहीं सर.
कुछ भी नहीं है, बहुत सिंपल सा बात है. ट्रिपल ए, ट्रिपल एस. अरे यार कितना मजा आ रहा है भाई पढ़ने में. हाँ देखो, पढ़ाने वाला भी जो हम लोग जो पढ़ाता है ना, all right, चलो. Now let us talk about double A. Or let us talk about ACIS. SAS, टमाटो सॉस, कैरेट सॉस, चिल्ली सॉस. ये नहीं होता है भाई. सॉस मतलब बताओ क्या होता है?
Side angle side.
साइड हट जाओ. किसको बोल रहा है? एंगल को. फिर से साइड को बोल रहा है. ठीक है, साइड, एंगल, साइड. आया समझ? टोमेटो सॉस, चिली सॉस. ऑलराइट, हाँ ये सब होता है. ठीक है. नाउ बताइए इसमें क्या होगा? बताओ इसमें जल्दी से जल्दी. No one should tell. One second. Let me ask. Now Pratyusha will talk in the class. Pratyusha will explain to everyone. Yes, Pratyusha, come on.
In this two side, one the angles, one angle is equal in both of the triangles and two sides are equal. Like AB and PQ are equal and AC and PR are equal and angle A is equal to angle P.
Very good बेटा, सही आंसर है. कोई ना डरने का जरूरत नहीं है. You are like feeling somewhat nervous to explain. No problem. See, I make you comfortable. No problem. You have to talk in a class. Whenever you are talking in a class, yes, great answer by you. Congratulations. Look at this. Now here first, whenever you have to take, look at this. Side, angle, side है ना. Side, कुछ भी side ले लो. इधर AB side ले लो. ठीक है, AB side ले लो. ये AB side है ना, इसका corresponding side वाला दूसरा same corresponding side of another triangle is what? PQ. Is it clear with everyone? Is it clear or not? Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now we have done with one side. Angle B is supposed to be equal to angle C. So angle Q. And one more side, which is BC, supposed to be equal to QR. This is what called as SAS, tomato sauce. As much. Any doubts? Any doubts? AB and this angle and this side is be PQ, A angle and this side. It should be in order. Is it clear? Are I samajh? Shut up, are you getting my point?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Akil, Ahil,
Yes, sir.
Yogesh,
Yes, sir.
Ashish, Prince.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Steve Benjamin Stokes. Benjamin, are you here? Benjamin ji, are you here? Benjamin has left the meeting, huh? Benjamin has left. Yes, Amrita, are you able to understand, beta?
Yes, sir.
Srija, what about you?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now tell me here. Here AB is equal to PQ here, and angle B is equal to angle Q. Corresponding, I'm writing corresponding. Angle side BC is equal to side QR. Such that, so whenever it is happening here, therefore I could say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle. I hope it is clear with everyone. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When one angle of a triangle and two sides of a triangle is equal to corresponding angle and two sides of another triangle, then we can say that those two triangles are congruent to each other by using what? By using sauce, by using tomato sauce. आया समझ? भाई tomato sauce मतलब exam में ऐसा नहीं लिखना. आया समझ? For your understanding purpose, I'm just telling like that. Don't write the tomato sauce, mirchi sauce, chili sauce. Don't write like that. All right.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Now, as I told you guys, Pythagoras theorem. What is that? Pythagoras theorem. Pitaji. Pythagoras theorem. What do you mean by Pythagoras theorem? What do you mean by Pythagoras theorem? Batao.
It states that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the square of the base plus the square of the altitude.
Yes. Square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the base and its altitude. Altitude means क्या होता है? Height होता है. ऐसा समझ आया? So, as per the Pythagoras theorem, you write as per the Pythagoras theorem, as per the Pythagoras.
Sir, there's only 3 criteria for similarity of triangles.
See here you have, look at this here. So triple A, S and SS. You can write AAS, SSA. Already you might have learned, isn't it? देखो हम लोग एक बार
Yes.
देखते हैं. Let us learn, no problem. देखो इस बार. There are though not only 3, you have others too. Look at this. Okay, we have learned this. Sides of two triangles are proportional to the corresponding angles are equal to two triangles similar. Okay, well, wait, before Pythagoras theorem.
ASA.
We'll talk about CPCT. What is CPCT?
What's that?
Congruence of triangles. What are the CPCT? Before Pythagoras theorem, we'll go with other stuff as well. I think we have done everything.
Only parts of congruent triangles.
Sorry?
Corresponding parts of congruent triangles.
Yes, very good. CPCT, which means corresponding parts of congruent triangles. ये होता है CPCT का full form. All right. Now, as per this, we have such criteria. Just now we have seen that SSS, SAS हो गया, ट्रिपल ए हो गया, और एक होता है yes we have done, right? yes we have left with AAS, RHS. Let us talk about these three now. Clear? आया समझ? Getting my point, children? Hello.
Yes, sir.
चलो देखो, we have, I just wrote in between, this is not necessary to write, but you can see that as per the, we have, typically we have 5 main rules. 5 main rules we have. What are they? So first, SSS, SAS, third one, we have learned AAA. Let us learn ASA. What do you mean by ASA?
Angle, side angle.
एंगल हो गया, साइड हो गया, एंगल साइड हो गया, फिर एंगल से, ठीक है। देखो ये क्या होता है, हाँ कोई भी ले लो, ऐसा ले लो एंगल। Anyone of you please tell me what is this?
Sir, it is
Come on.
same as SAS, but except of the two sides, they have given angle, and except of the angle, they have given
हाँ,
side.
2 angles, कोई भी 2 angles ले लो, 2 angles B, P, Q here, 2 angles this one and side this one. आया समझ this and this side, ठीक है? Getting my point, children? Any doubt? So here two
No.
angles, हाँ, angle side angle, right? Angle side angle, not angle side. Look at this. Angle side angle, this side and this angle. Is it clear? Angle side angle. Sorry. Angle side, this angle. And here also angle side angle. आया समझ? Getting my point? Look at this here. Angle or 2 angles and side included of one triangle. Angle, so 2 angles here. This angle, 2 angles and side included of a triangle is equal to, all right, is equal to corresponding 2 angles and side of another triangle. Then we can say that ABC triangle and PQR triangle are congruent to each other by using ASA rule. Clear? Are you able to follow the diagram? I'm not writing theoretically, guys. Just I'm drawing the diagram. Is that clear with everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Who hasn't done with the triangles lesson from your school side?
Sir, it's going on.
Sir, it's going on.
For one student, who's that? Who was that?
I'm not done with triangles.
Okay, no problem. You are able to relate the things, isn't it here?
Yes, sir, it's easy.
Yes, easy only, right? Chalo. So ASA. So we'll talk about AAS in tomorrow's class and RHS in tomorrow's class. We have left with these 2 things. After that, we'll go for Pythagoras theorem. Then we'll go for the questions. So I think we have done at the time. So let's
Sir,
prepare now.
what's the full form of RHS?
Right?
Right hand side.
हाँ, अबो right hand side, left hand side, ये क्या होता है भाई?
Hypotenuse side.
हाँ?
Right angle hypotenuse side.
हाँ, right angle hypotenuse side.
Yes,
Not
sir.
right hand side, left hand side. अरे अखिल भाई, ये क्या है जी? चलो ठीक है. तो अखिल, ये नहीं होता है भाई, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, राइट हैंड साइड, ये सब नहीं होता है इसमें.
सर मैंने right angle hypotenuse side बोला, मैंने नहीं बोला right.
Sir,
Very good. Just jokes apart. Yes, tell me, Arjun.
Sir, while writing, while doing sums in linear equations, those algebra sums, we use LHS, RHS, they mean right hand side and left hand side.
Yes, in the equations, in quadratic equations, in polynomials, I would say in linear equation, two variables, we'll be using LHS and RHS, but not here. Here, that is different.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Here, we'll be using RHS only, not LHS again. RHS means right angle side. Right hypotenuse, right angle, hypotenuse side. Right angles, right angle triangle we have, right? So that hypotenuse side. Clear? Okay, children. So let's
Yes, sir.
retire now. We'll meet in the next session. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Bye,
you, sir.
sir.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.